Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to add color to the YouTube subtitle. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. YouTube is the easiest way to upload videos online and watch videos with almost every type of content. We can share videos of any content like facts, cooking, daily vlogging, or totally study material. There is no limitation on the size or content of the video, and also, we can search for any type of video. So, to add color to the YouTube subtitle, you first need to go to the web browser and type youtube.com in the search bar and hit enter. Now play any video. Click on Settings. Click on Subtitles. Click on Options. Click on Font Color. Now choose any color you like on your subtitle of YouTube video. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.